Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International Literature. I am going to start subject SPL of Standard 7, and the topic is how the state government works. And within this chapter, your next topic is about a debate in the Legislative Assembly. Dear students, as some of the childrens like Afrin Sujata, they all just went to the legislative assembly. As we know that this legislative assembly ever it is situated in the capital of the state, like our capital is in Patna, so the legislative assembly that is basically situated in Patna. So all the children, they were excited, and after the security checks they all entered inside the assembly hall, and further they have watched that there was in row of decks where the members of the legislative assembly they used to sit there, and further the discussion was held there. So the assembly was going to have the debate on the current problem, like those problems which are ever flowing in the situation current areas. These type of situation are ever raised by their members, and further these situation are discussed within the hall, and further it is finalized, and the solution, or you can say such the bill or any of the law is passed from there. So those MLAs they ever used to express them and ask the questions to the related issue of this government. So further it is also responded by the ministers. It means those concerned ministers who having the authority, it means the particular department which have been the given to them. So those ministers they are ever responsible for that what the work they have done in their period. So the chief minister as well as the other ministers they have also take the decisions to run the government. As I have told you that those parties who will get the majority, it means after the election those parties who will get the majority, those parties will form the government. It means more than 50% plus one mandate will be get by those parties. They will become the they will set out the government, and further the remaining parties they will form the opposition. So within that they each and every parties who form the government, further they form the ministries. It means they also having the cabinet ministers in each department. It means they also set out that the each of the department is run by the different ministers. So as the discussion started, so one of the MLA he was telling that in my constituency, it means constituency, those areas from where that representatives has been elected, those areas are known as constituency. So one of the MLA1 is telling that in the constituency of Akhanda Gaon, last 3 weeks 15 peoples that were dead due to the diarrhea, and the government it is announcing that these we are the champions of technology. Then why not with the help of the technology we are just sorting out these problems. So secondly it is telling that MLA2 is telling that my question is that why the conditions of the hospitals is so bad. It means the condition is very worse, and the proper doctors are not appointed there, as well as the medical staffs are not available also there. So what is the plans? It means they want to know that what are the plan of the government to that how will they come over with this current situation. Thirdly, one of the members they are telling that my constituency of Tolpatti, it means Tolpatti is their constituency from they have been elected, these areas are their constituency. So they also raising the problem that we also having the shortage of water and all the ladies they are just bringing out the water from 3 to 4 kilometers away, and we also have the lack of water. So they want to know that when we will get the proper supply of water, as well as the water tanker which will provide the water, instant water for them. But one of the MLA4 who just defending these MLAs, so they are telling that I think that colleagues are just expanding these matters, and the government already has taken the steps about the situation, and water tanker these also have been put out to the contaminated areas, as well as the ORS packets that have been, it means the ORS, it means the oral solution, these also have been provided to those areas. And though MLA 5th, you will see in this figure that different MLAs they are talking about. So MLAs 5th, they are also complaining about that we also having the poor facilities in the hospitals, and in these hospitals no medical staffs have been appointed since a long time, and those medical staffs who are appointed here, they also have been gone for a long vacation, since it was a very worse condition for them. As they are also asking the question that wherever we should be confirmed that how long this is to be going on, so they were also thinking about it. So the lastly, the MLA6 who are in from the ruling side party, they are also telling that the opposing members, they are unnecessarily just blaming out the government, because government is already taken out the steps, and they are also just blaming on the previous government that they were not taking the proper steps, and that's why this is the worst condition we having at present. So as in the above discussion, we have seen that how the discussion about the current situation as well as the constituency areas, this was going on. But further the rules and the law that have been made in that legislative assembly, and further it is executed by the government, by the executive department. It means those places where the law used to be made, these are known as legislature, and those law which have been executed in those areas, these are known as the executive. It means those people who will execute it, who will execute these laws, they are known as the executives. So they also having the about this type of situation. Further they have seen that as we know that all the members who used to just gather together in those assembly hall are known as legislature, and they are able supervise the work, and they also give the work has been provided by them. Now the working of the government. So these legislative assembly, these are the places where the different topic are being debated there, and further a new rule, whether if the current law is just recommended by most of the members, then it became the law. Further it is passed and it became the law too, and the things that are known as the bill, and further the bill is passed and further it became the law. So after the discussion, you will see that there also a press conference used to be held there, and within this press conference they used to just explain the things, that what the law has been made out and what are the profit of this law. So after the press conference, as the related problem was concerned with the health, so the health minister, they have released the press conference, and there they have told that a large number of people from the different newspapers, there it was presented there, as the ministers and some of the government officials also present there, and the minister just explain the steps. Like sometimes you will see that, like the finance ministry, like the health ministry, you will see that what are the law that has been made out for the current problem, These ever we only came to know about through the media, and these media ever used to ask the different type of question, that what you are doing about the current situation. Like now in the present pandemic, you will see that different type of news we also used to get it, but in this type of situation you will see that these are only provided by our media. And further, within that explanation, it was told by the minister that next week our chief minister and the minister of health, they will visit the Patalpuram districts, where the people are being affected due to the water crisis as well as the situation like the diarrhea. So they has also announced that they will also give the compensation to those peoples who are being affected by it. So the government also decide to make the new laws for the state regarding the sanitation and health facilities, as so further it was the law which was made there, that each and every municipal corporation, they have to be ensured that the urban sanitation is proper available to all of the people which are being residing there. And this act of making laws on certain issues is done in the assembly of each state. And further you will see that in the legislative assembly, in the state legislative assembly, the law which are made there is only for the state, but for the country it is done, the discussion is done in the parliament, and the members, they are known as member of parliament. It means the state members, they are known as MLA, member of legislative assembly, and those are known as MPs, it means member of parliament, and they made out the law for the whole country by the MPs. So it will discussed in the next year. So you will see here that in the democracy, the people, that they used to elect their representatives and member of legislative assembly. It means you can say MLAs, जिसे हम हिंदी में विधायक कहते हैं. And thus the people who having the main authorities and the ruling party member then form the government. It means they got the majority, and they used to just form the government. Further, the government are also in charge of all type of various departments like the health, education, sanitation, finance, security, all type of department, these comes under that government, and whatever the work is done by this government, they have to be approved by the member of legislative assembly. And further, if their problem is also there, then these peoples will also responsible for that. Okay, dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.